recite Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Do you remember some Pali words? Huh? Last time I did the revision, no? Still remember, no? Okay? Little bit. Today I am going to explain the different kind of nouns. Before I already explained end of a noun. Remember Buddha, Nara, Purisa, Manusa, etc. Today I am going to explain end of e nouns. End of e nouns. Okay. Lesson 2. Nama. So noun meaning nama pada. Pali with nama meaning noun. Noun words කියනවනේ නාම පද. නාම පද. පද meaning words. Now please see grouping of nouns according to the termination. Group ending with example. Akaranta ending with a. Example Nara. We already practiced, no? Small. Now remember. Already we study. Akaranta ending a. Nara. Example Nara, Manusa. We already practiced, no? Now the bracket. You see bracket one? The red color. This is Ikaranta ending with E. The different noun chapter. Different noun group. This is a different group. Okay. Now example Aggi. Aggi meaning fire. You know fire? Many fire, no? Fire. Fire meaning Aggi. Aggi. Now we are going to study ending with E nouns group. Okay? Don't think other. Coming soon. First, we have to face Ikaranta, Aggi, and etc. After that, Ikarant. After that, Ukarant. After that, Ukarant. After that, Okarant. Different kind of noun groups according to masculine. According to masculine. Okay? Okay. Declension of masculine Ikaranta nouns. Nominative case Patama. Ikaranta nouns. Now this is before we already practice, we know the meaning of the Patama Dutya like this. Now declension of nominative masculine Ikaranta nouns. Ekavachana, Bahuvachana. Ekavachana meaning singular. Bahuvachana meaning plural. Stem. Stem Aggi. Aggi meaning fire. Ikaranta noun Aggi. Aggi. This Aggi according to the nominative Patama Vibhakti. Nominative Ekavachana also Aggi. Aggi. Plural, they have two nouns, two words. Aggi, Aggayo. Aggi plus E become Aggi. Aggi plus Ayo become Aggayo. This meaning fire. This meaning many fire. Singular only one fire. Plural meaning many kind of fire. Okay, aggi, aggi, aggayo. Singular only one word, aggi. Plural there are two, aggi, the end of e quite long, aggayo. Okay, understand meaning? Understand? Fire, fire. Next one, next example, muni. Muni meaning monk, bhikkhu. Muni meaning monk, muni. Now you see, vanna gandha gunopetang etang kusuma santating pujayami munindassa. Muni, muni coming, muninda meaning Buddha. Muni, here have muni meaning bhikkhu, here monk. Okay, muni. Bahuvachana muni munayo. Muni munayo, all are same. Nominative ekavachana. Muni bahuvachana, muni munayo, monks plural. Okay, understand? Next example, isi. Isi meaning sage and hermit. Isi, singular isi, plural isi, isayo. Isi, isayo. Isi, isayo. Okay, again try to practice. Aggi, aggi, aggayo. Muni, muni, munayo. Isi, isi, isayo. Okay, try. Again. One more time. Okay. Next example. Gahapati. Gahapati meaning household. Gahapati. Gahapati meaning household. You are all Gahapati, no? The man only Gahapati, yeah? Female Gahapati ni, the another word. The only man Gahapati, household. Gahapati. Ekavachana Gahapati, Bahuvachana Gahapati, Gahapatayo. Gahapati, Gahapati, Gahapatayo. Next one, kapi. Kapi meaning monkey. Before we study another word for monkey, Vanara. Remember? Vanara. Vanara also monkey. According to the ending E. Kapi. But both are meaning same, but different. Two kind of nouns. Vanara and kapi. Vanara also monkey, kapi also monkey. Okay, ekavachana bahuvachana, kapi, kapi, kapayo. Kapi, kapi, kapayo. Okay. Next one, kavi. Kavi meaning? Oh, singular and plural. How to recite? Kavi, 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 kavayo. Kavi, kavi, kavayo. Now understand? Gahapati, gahapati, gahapatayo. Declension of nominative masculine ikaranta noun. Kapi, kapi, kapayo. Kavi, kavi, kavayo. The meaning, gahapati meaning household. Gahapati, gahapatayo meaning householders. Kavi meaning kavi, kavai, kapi, kapi meaning kapi, kapayo meaning kavi meaning kavi, kavayo meaning poets, kavi. Here have any poet? No. Someone can build the poet? Huh? Can build some poem? Cannot. Okay, next one. Next example. Declension of nominative masculine ikaranta nouns. Bhupati, bhupati, bhupatayo. Bhupati meaning king. Before we study king, what is the name? Bhupalo. Bhupalo also king. Bhupati also king. But different way. Same meaning. So many nouns. Example now. Yes, English only one. Because according to many. Okay, please explain. King. Monarch also king and universal king. A different kind of king also, no? Yeah. No, because the Lord Buddha used the different kind of nouns. Different kind of similar nouns. You know for the loba, how many similar words? Lord Buddha gave 100 words for the loba. Rago, sarago, nandi, nandirago, icha, mucha, ajjo, sanang, gedo, paligedo, nandi, icha, like this so many words, 100 words Lord Buddha explained. But all are the main meaning loba. But this is the how arise the loba mind? What is the reason? What is the object? This all are including the loba. That's why Lord Buddha gave the 100 words for the loba. Same way. Many about mind. How many similar words for the mind? We know only mind, no? 10 words. Chittang, mano, manasang, hadayang, pandarang, manayatanang, manindriyang, vinyanang, vinyanakkhando, tajja mano vinyana dhatu. How many similar words for the panya? Wisdom. Panya, pajanana, vichayo, pavichayo, dhamma vichayo, sallakkana, upalakkana, pachupalakkana, pandiccang, kosallang, nepunyang, vebhavya, Cinta, upaparika, bhuri, meda, parinayika, sampajanyam, patodo, Panya, Panyindriyam, Panya Balam, Panya Sattam, Panya Pasado, Panya Obaso, Panya Aloko, Panya Pajjoto, Panya Ratanang, Amoho, Dhammavichyo, Sammaditthi. All are included. Understand? That's why the Lord Buddha used the similar words. Because why? Sometimes want to explain Sammaditthi. The Sammaditthi was a wisdom. But at that moment, Lord Buddha never used the Panya. Only Sammaditthi used, no? Sometimes Lord Buddha want to explain Samma, what is Dhamma Vichaya? Bojjhanga. What is Dhamma Vichaya? Dhamma Vichaya. This is the Panya. That's why the different way explain. But all the roots of the wisdom. Okay? That's why if the similar words have, Bhupati. Bhupati meaning king. Before we already studied Bhupa Lo. Okay, now someone just now came. No, now we are studying the declension of nominative masculine ikaranta nouns, second group of the nouns. Now ending E, the stem sound Bhupati. This Bhupati, according to the nominative singular, Bhupati, plural, Bhupati, Bhupatayo. Two words have. Okay? Next one, Ahi. What's the meaning Ahi? Serpent is snake. Usually this is old English, no? This time you use snake. Ahi, singular, plural, Ahi, Ahayo. Okay? Ahi, Ahayo. Next one, Deepi. Deepi meaning leopard. Deepi, singular Deepi. Plural Deepi, Deepayo. Again, singular Deepi, Deepi, Deepayo. Again. Now before we study Deepa, remember? Deepo, not okay. Deepa, one of the sound, Deepa. Deepa means island. Island. Deepa meaning island. Okay? This Deepi. One enough. According English is same, no? Enough one alphabet to change another meaning, no? Same. Deepa meaning island. Deepi meaning leopard. And the Padipa meaning Padipa. Lamp. Padipa meaning lamp. Padipa. Understand? Enough? Little. Deepa meaning island. Padipa meaning lamp. Deepi meaning leopard. Okay? Can understand? Okay. Next. Now we're all together. Okay, please recite. Kapi. Try to pronounce proper way. It is important. Huh? Okay. Now we are trying to build some words. Some sentence. Before sentence we have to know, remind again about the verbs. Pacha ati pachati pachanti. Now we know, no? Okay, now small sentence. Kavi pachati. Kavi pachati, meaning the poet cooks. Kavayo pachanti. Kavayo pachanti, meaning the poets cook. Again, okay, write down the example. Kavi pachati, meaning the poet cooks. Kavayo pachanti. Okay. Anyway, do you have vocabularies? No? Did you get everybody? Okay. Now check your vocabularies first. Please for Bantes. No, I have. Please give. Okay. Now, Aggi, Muni, Isi, Kahapati. Okay, recite. Beginning, for beginning. Please recite everybody. Aggi, Pani, Bodhi, Udadhi. One more time, please, after me. Aggi, Muni, Isi, Gahapati, Kapi, Kavi, Bhupati, Ahi, Deepi, Ravi, Giri, Ari, Pani, Yatti, Mani, Pati, Bodhi, Udadhi. Okay, now see Ravi. What's the meaning Ravi? Sun. Before we study Surya. Remember, no? Surya. Surya. Giri. Giri meaning mountain. Before we study already Pabbat. Pabbat. Ari meaning enemy. Pani meaning hand. Before we study Hat. 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 Yatti meaning money meaning gym. Pati meaning husband, master. Bodhi meaning tree. Udhadi meaning ocean. Okay. Now please recite the verb singular and plural. Bhasati. Recite. Okay, please build small sentence. Only join the verb and noun. Okay, build. Like this, no? Kavi pachati. Kavayo pachanti. Like this, please build singular one, plural one. Take one noun, take one verb, together join. Okay, can? Yeah. Kapi. The kapi means singular, plural. Kapi. Singular. Kapi singular nang bunjati. Kapi bunjati. Good. Okay, next. Okay, one more. Another. Sorry. Munayo passanti. Okay, good. Munayo passanti. Munayo passanti. Meaning, the monks see. Okay, another. Bhupatayo passanti. Okay. Singular word, very easy, no? Aggi jaleti. Aggi jaleti. No meaning, no? Okay. Muni aruhati. Muni aruhati. Isi gacchati. Kavi bunjati. Deepi aruhati. Bodhi vandati. No meaning, huh? Cannot say like this. Okay. Okay, try. Okay, we go next one. Now, some example about verb. Bhasati, bhasanti, passati, passanti, bhunjati, bhunjanti, gacchati, gacchanti. Okay, sentence. Oh, please. Pali. Muni bhasati. Muni bhasati, meaning the monk speaks. Gahapati passati. Gahapati passati, meaning the householder sees. Deepi bhunjati. Deepi bhunjati, meaning the leopard eats. Ahi gacchati. Ahi gacchati. Okay, meaning understand, no? Next one. Already? Okay. Okay, check. But plural. Muni or munayo. One of two. Muni. Muni bhasanti. Or munayo bhasanti. Plural. Plural, there are two nouns, two words. Muni, munayo. Gahapati, gahapatayo. Deepi, deepayo. Ahi, ahayo. Okay? Can understand, no? Okay, practice now. Bhu, okay, right, recite. Bhasati, meaning? Oh, the king speaks. Next one. Meaning? Next one. Meaning? Next one. Next one. Meaning? Okay. What's English? Pali English change. Huh? Okay, now the household goes. How to translate to Pali? Very good. Next one. The poets speak. Next one. Yeah. Now, very good. Now I can understand. But tomorrow, if I ask tomorrow, also okay. Okay, next. Bunjanti. Very good. Muniyo munayo bunjanti. Okay. Now, understand about Patama Vibhakti, nominative case. Already understood? Already? Huh? Now, remember? Muni, muni, munayo. Aggi, aggi, aggayo. Gahapati, gahapati, gahapatayo. Pati, pati, patayo. Ravi, ravi, ravayo. Kapi, kapi, kapayo. Kavi, kavi, kavayo. Udadi, udadi, udadayo. Remember, no? Okay. Now we are going to accusative case. Dutiya, ikaranta nouns. Now accusative. This means object. Now we already studied subject. Now we are going to study object. Okay, please. Aggi. According to ekavachana and bahuvachana, according to accusative. Dutiya vibhakti. Agging, aggi, aggayo. According to the nominative case and accusative case, according to the plural verbs, all are same. Okay, the plural words same. Yeah. Okay, only different singular. Agging, aggiing, agging. Aggi, agging. Aggi, aggayo. Okay, meaning also fire. Agging, because fire meaning we cannot divide, no? That's why the singular they use the fire, huh? But we have to understand singular fire, aggi meaning only one place. A plural fire meaning many places. Different kind of fire. Next one, muning, muni, munayo. Muning meaning a monk, only one bhikkhu. Muning, muni, munayo. Next one. Ising, isi, isayo. Very easy, no? Easy to understand. Very difficult by heart. Huh? Okay. Agging, aggi, aggayo. Muning, muni, munayo. Ising, isi, isayo. Okay. Next example. Gahapati, gahapating, gahapati, gahapatayo. Kaping, kapi, kapayo. Kaving, kavi, kavayo. Okay, write down first. This is a Pali second program. We can see only few person. If I going to start a third program, maybe enough my one hand to count. Yes, Victor, yes. Okay. Okay, take your vocab list. Number 7. Okay, recite according to the accusative. Bhupating, bhupati, bhupatayo. Again, one more time. Next one. Number 9. Next one. 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 Okay. Uddadhayo. Uddadhayo. But we have only one ocean, no need to think only one Uddadina. Because all are together only one ocean. But this is the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arabic Ocean, they have the different, but anyway only one ocean. Okay, again, this one also recite, it's okay. Please recite Bhupating. Now meaning, do you know the meaning? Okay, can understand meaning, no? Just remember, try to remind the, if you are going to recite the Pali words, always try to think the meaning of this word also. Okay, next one. Okay, now please recite accusative nouns. Okay, now we can build a small sentence: subject, object and verb. Okay. Please give me the example for the subject. Okay, one noun. Huh? Copy. Copy. Verb. Aruvati. Object. Oh, very good, no? Okay. Kapi giring aruhati. Meaning the monkey climbs to the mountain. Into the mountain again, to the mountain. Okay. Understand? One more sentence. Okay, write another subject. Ravi. Ravi. Yeah, we can, but difficult to be like this because Ravi cannot become subject sometime. We have to think the meaning. Better the Kavi. 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 Verb. Example. Passati. Object. Huh? Huh? Ravi. Meaning sees the sun. Okay. One more sentence. Okay, please give me the subject. Huh? Ari. Usually the one thing, how to say, always the living beings become subject. Living beings become subject and can become object also. Unliving being, example like mountain, the sun, like this, sometimes cannot become subject, because if you want to put the object, cannot become subject. Example like this thing: Suryo bhavati, Ravi bhavati. There is a sun. At that time we don't know any object. At that time the unliving things can become subject. But if you want to build the sentence with the object, at that time unliving thing cannot become subject. This is important thing. That's why I told the Ravi cannot become subject. Okay. Ari, the verb. Huh? Huh? Sorry. Charati. Huh? Jaleti. Jaleti. Object. Very good. Huh? Some more? One more sentence? Huh? Please give me the subject. Don't forget your husband also. Pati. Okay? The verb? Vandati. Huh? Bodhing. Very good. Oh, very nice. Now we did 4 sentences. One more. Muni. Okay, Muni. Verb? Vasati. Bhasati. Bhasati. Object? Bhupating. Pating. Okay, pating. Okay. Very nice, no? What's the meaning? The monk speaks to the master. Pati means 2 meaning, no? Master and husband. Because Muni, no? The big don't have any husband for the monk. At that time we have the master. Okay? Master meaning some teachers, because not regarding to the same religion, unreligion, something that. Anyway, master. Okay? Now I can give homework. Huh? Can I? Can? Oh. They are interested. Okay. Okay. Okay, please recite this one also. Please recite. Okay, recite. Oh, this is- Okay, please recite and write down. Sorry. Okay, if you want, write down, please. Okay. Next one. Please recite. This is a kindergarten. Not the junior school, not the high school. Kindergarten lesson. Yes. Okay. Next. Okay, recite first. The okay. Understand meaning, no? Deepi kapayo bunjanti. Now you can get the homeworks, but don't see now, later. Needs, no? Okay, check first. One thing is, no? My one also can give for somebody. If need, one more. Enough? Everybody get? Okay. Oh, don't look at your homework. Please don't look at. Because the later. This is the homework. Okay. Practice first. Okay, practice. Meaning? See the. Very good. James, plural, no? This meaning subject also plural. No, the object also plural. Yeah, object plural. Yeah, other singular. Next one. The meaning. Yeah. It serpent. This meaning so many leopards, but they eat only one snake. No, to understand, huh? Okay. Next one. The sun. Good. Next one. Meaning? Do you have a stick? Okay. Next one. Meaning? Next one. Go to the ocean. Next one. Next one. Tis jalonga jale ti. Meaning householder kindles the fire. Okay, next one. Meaning enemies plural. Climb up to the mountain. Okay, translate to Pali. Okay, again the masters kapayo paharanti plural. Paharanti pati patayo kapayo paharanti. We can add kapayo, so we can say because Dutiya has two words. Pati patayo, this is a subject, object kapiyo kapayo. Paharanti meaning verb. Okay, understand? Okay, next one. Okay, the serpents giring aruhanti, no? Ahayo giring aruhanti. Next one. Yattiyo yattayo. Harati kavi yattayo harato yatti harati. Next one. Muni bodhing vandati. Very good. Next one. This the plural, no? Passanti, no? Passanti. Plural, passanti. Next one. The king pani, no? Pani. Panayo. Pani, no? Oh, no, this is a normal pani, palon, pani. Pani, panayo. Paharati. Bhopati panayo paharati. I hit the hand like this, no? Bhupati hit the hand. Okay. Next one. The enemy takes away the gem. Oh, very dukkha. Hmm. Hmm. Ari Maning Harati. Next one. Munayo Isayo. Muni isi. Pasanti. Pasanti. Okay, I think finished, no? Yeah. Okay. Now this way, today we study end of E nouns. E. Shorter end of E. Now we build all our sentences according to the end of E nouns. We take subject and object. If you have time, you can mix end of it together. You can build the sentence. Yeah. If you have time, you can build sentence. Example now. Manusso maning ganhati. Manusso maning ganhati. Manussa manayo ganhanti. Manussa meaning human beings. Ganhanti take away. Manayo gem, the gems plural. Okay. Example another one. Kapi pabbatang aruhati. Kapi, the monkey, climb up to the mountain. The pabbatang also mountain, no? Giring also can, pabbatang also can. Okay. Then you have to mix all together. Okay. Next time I will give another homework. Together mix sentence. Okay. The mix nouns, the akaranta nouns and ikaranta nouns together. Okay. Now please take your homework. Please recite. Check. Deepi kaping bunjati. Kapayo raving passanti. Isi ahayo paharanti. Gahapati muning vandati. Kavayo munayo vandati. Kapi giring aruhati. Bhupatayo udading gachanti. Isayo agging jalinti. Pati manayo haranti. Ahayo bodhing aruhanti. Okay, recite English too. Okay. Any more question? Go back first. Yes, correct. Okay. Now you can do the, now no need to wait the until Tatiya Karan according to the end of E. Now you know the end of the other all are cases. Then you can build a long sentence also. But you can get only the subject object from ikaranta, from ikaranta nouns. Others remaining all are you can take from the akaranta nouns. Then you can build. Then this is a practice. Okay? Today enough? Enough, no? Try to practice again one more time and try to by heart all the nouns. This is important, na? I forget. Already by heart the akaranta nouns can recite together? Okay, we together recite, can? Nara. Okay, can? Okay, start. Naro. Narena. Naraya. Narasa. Naranang. Nara. Naramha. Narasma. Narebi. Narehi. Narasa. Naranang. Nare. Naramhi. Narasming. Naresu. He Nara. Nara. Bhavanto. Nara. One more time. Naro, okay? Naro. Narena. Naraya. Nara. Narasma. Narebi. Narasa. Nare. Ramhi. Narasmi. Naresu. Nara. 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 Okay. This one also try to practice. Try to by heart first all ikaranta nouns. Okay. Today enough, no? Okay, may you be well and happy. May you be free from all suffering. May you be attain Nibbana soon. Okay. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi. Te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Idang me punyang. Me meaning my. Me meaning my. Before we already studied. Me meaning my. Idang punya, this merit. Nibbanassa. Nibbanassa. To the Nibbana. Paccayo hotu. May cause. Maybe may cause. Again, this means because of this merit to the Nibbana. Because of this my merit to the get the Nibbana. Okay? Now may meaning my. Idang punya, this merit. But we not yet study imang. Imang idang we not yet study later. Nibbanassa. Nibbanassa meaning to the Nibbana, for the Nibbana, to get the Nibbana. Okay? Sadhu.